Thank you so very much for tuning in. My name is Manta, and if you're new to the channel, I usually upload videos on the DIY mask, the reviews, and the updates on my transition phase as I am naturally transitioning my hair. It's almost been 9 months, over 9 months that I'm transitioning, and I can see a huge difference in my texture and in my hair, and of course in my hair growth also, especially on the bald spots which I had earlier when I was not like going natural or something. That is the time I had too many issues with my hair. So now it's almost 9 months to 10 months that I'm transitioning, and I can see a huge difference from my before and after pictures, which I will be uploading with this video. And for today's video, the only reason behind me doing the DIY mask is many times there are few ingredients which I feel my hair would love or would react in a better way might not be available in the market, or there's something which I read it like it is good for your hair, good for your scalp, and I really want to try, and which is something which I do not have it in my stack. So that is the reason I love experimenting with the mask. It is not that I do not use a deep conditioning mask which are available in the market. I do it, but in between when I feel my hair really needs that moisture or that protein, that is the time I do my DIY mask. So coming back to the mask, so today I have one more hair mask which is a combination of protein and moisture both. You might have seen the benefits of using the rice water, the rinsing with rice water. I myself have seen the difference, so I can assure you on that, because in a month, 2 weeks I do the rice water rinse. That is every day I follow. For 1 week I follow the rice water rinse every day, and I do it in 4 weeks in a month. I do it twice. So first and third week I do the rice water and then I leave it. And I have seen a huge difference in my hair growth, and especially the texture of it. I can see the bounce, that boing thing coming, the protein in my hair has actually, the level has gone higher, especially after the rice water thing. And my growth has also come because I have been doing a lot of chopping, especially in my ends, because I had two dead ends, and the all the straight ends or the chemically treated hair or the damaged hair, I had actually chopped it off. So to grow my hair back, I have used a lot of rice water. I'm till date using the rice water. So in between, when I feel that okay, I need a moisture treatment with the protein treatment, that is the time I use this DIY mask, which is milk and rice. So about this rice, it is not just milk and rice. It has coconut water and honey. So it has four things: milk, rice, coconut water, and honey.
So I just rinsed my hair with water to remove all the product and so that the mask would be absorbed easily. And then I just sectioned my hair and go back and apply the mask. I used a 3-rod diamond comb to spread out my mask evenly, and it is a great buy, especially to spread out your hair mask or deep conditioning mask or oils. And then I just roughly did a 2-strand twist and I left it for almost 45 minutes. You can leave it for an hour or two, whatever you want to, whichever is feasible with you. For me, 45 minutes was more than enough. So after leaving it for 45 minutes, I will rinse it off with water first and then apply my conditioner. I will be using Diva Pearl 1 Condition Original to condition my hair, because already I won't be needing that much of conditioner, but just because of the protein pack, my hair will be quite stiff or hard. So that is the only reason I would be using conditioner, and then I would start. I had a little bit left over, so I just added a teaspoon of the Aztec Indian Healing Clay and I applied that leftover mask on my face. This does wonders, especially to fight the signs of aging and to tighten up your pores and skin.
So now I have rinsed out the hair mask from my hair and from my face, and this is how it looks. My hair feels super soft. So to style my hair, firstly I'm going to be using a little bit of the LOC butter from the Carol's Daughter just for my scalp. Just this much, let me see. Just that's it. I guess this one is going to last me forever.
This actually helps in fighting the scalp dryness, which I really have, or I am actually going through just because of the transition phase. So I like applying it to my scalp and a little bit to my ends also. And whatever I have left in my hand, I just use the praying hands method and distribute it to my rest of the hair, and then I apply it. So I would just detangle my hair and section my hair in 5 parts. 2 from the sides and 1 in the middle, so I do not have the center parting.
Which I'm going to be using is the curl maker from Camille Rose, and this is the only thing which I'm going to be using. I'm not going to be using any leave-in conditioner or anything like that because this already has too much of moisture in it. So a little bit goes a long way, so I do not want my hair to weigh down. So I'm just going to be taking half a pump, not even full, half a pump. That's it. This is it. Rub it in between my hands and
I did the same thing to rest of the sections, and I used a Denver brush to actually spread out all my products evenly. And the last thing which I did was scrunch. I scrunch, I scrunch, and I scrunch. I do a lot of scrunching just to get those ringlets, and that really helps before diffusing. I diffuse on low heat and medium speed.
so these are my results. I did not finger coil my hair. I did not use any other techniques or locking or something. I just used a Denman brush, and to style my hair, just one product, that is the curl maker from Camille Rose. Just one product, nothing else. Might not work for everyone, but for me it does wonders. But I only use a very small amount of it, and I use it all alone. I do not use a leave-in conditioner or anything like that. I only pair it up with the LOC butter from the Carol's Daughter, the shaving pomade hairdress, yes, that's it. So I apply this to my scalp and a very little amount of it to my ends, and I just, like doing the praying hands method, I just leave the rest of the product, and that's it. One thing, whenever I apply the Camille Rose, the curl maker, I make sure I diffuse my hair, because if I do not diffuse my hair, my curls are quite elongated because it's quite heavy, because it's a jelly, so it's quite heavy. It actually does not give me any ringlets like this. So I make sure I diffuse my hair whenever I'm using the curl maker, and that's it. I love this product. It is wash and go kind of a product, but you have to diffuse it. That's how it works. So give it a try and let me know how it worked for you. Cute.